Welcome to today's exploration of one of the most fascinating treasures in American numismatics. We'll be diving into the story of a rare and valuable United States $1 coin, a piece that carries with it history, artistry, and immense appeal to collectors around the world. The $1 coin issued by the United States without a mint mark from the Denver facility stands as one of the most intriguing and highly regarded pieces in American numismatics. Even in a dirty or worn condition, such coins capture the attention of seasoned collectors who value their scarcity, age, and the stories they carry. Their reputation as historic artifacts, coupled with their limited availability in pristine examples, drives strong demand in today's market. While many ordinary $1 coins circulate without commanding much attention, certain rare varieties within this group have soared in value, becoming key highlights of numismatic auctions. When we turn back to the origins of this coin, it reflects a pivotal era in American monetary history. The $1 denomination has long been a symbol of the country's financial system, dating back to the late 18th century when it was modeled after widely used Spanish silver dollars. The Denver Mint, although younger than Philadelphia, became a critical site for producing coins in the 20th century, ensuring circulation for a growing nation. These coins are not just currency but also carry with them the economic backdrop of their time, from post-war America to periods of economic change, making them more than just metallic tokens but reflections of national history. The artistry of this $1 coin is another reason it continues to inspire fascination. On the obverse, the portrait, whether it is of Lady Liberty in earlier issues or Dwight D. Eisenhower in later ones, represents enduring ideals of leadership, freedom, and American identity. The reverse often displays powerful national emblems, such as the heraldic eagle or symbols of peace and unity. Crafted in copper, nickel, or silver, depending on the exact year and variety, these coins carry substantial weight and a diameter that makes them impressive in hand. The attention to detail in the engraving, from the eagle's feathers to the subtle inscriptions, gives the coin an unmistakable presence even when found in less than perfect condition. Rarity plays a crucial role in the coin's desirability. While millions of $1 coins have been minted over time, specific issues without mint marks or those with minor die variations are far less common. Errors such as misstrikes, double dies, or unusual finishes contribute significantly to their scarcity, raising their appeal among specialized collectors. Condition is also a decisive factor. Uncirculated or near-mint examples can fetch substantially higher sums compared to dirty or heavily circulated pieces. Even so, the simple fact of rarity ensures that collectors often pursue them regardless of grade, with the hope of securing a piece that others cannot easily find. The market for these $1 coins continues to thrive, with rare examples reaching significant sums at auctions. Depending on the year, variety, and grade, values can range from a few $1,000s for mid-grade examples up to nearly $9,000 for exceptional pieces in high condition. Auction houses and private sales repeatedly highlight the demand for such coins, particularly when they are tied to unique varieties or error types. This level of value demonstrates not only their numismatic worth but also their investment potential in an ever-growing collecting community. For collectors aspiring to own one of these coins, several practical steps are recommended. Authentication and certification through professional grading services like PCGS or NGC are crucial, as they provide assurance of quality and authenticity. Careful storage, ideally in airtight holders or albums designed for numismatic preservation, helps protect the coin's condition over time. Acquiring such pieces often requires patience and diligence. Monitoring auctions, networking within numismatic circles, and engaging with reputable dealers significantly improve the chances of finding a genuine and valuable specimen. What makes these coins particularly fascinating is their ability to bridge history, art, and economics in a single object. They are not merely metallic discs but living testaments to the nation's evolution and resilience. For both novice and seasoned collectors, the journey of discovering and acquiring such a piece becomes a rewarding pursuit, whether for its investment value, its artistic merit, or its historical resonance. The dirt and wear often found on circulated examples only enhance their story, proving they were once part of the country's active economic life. In conclusion, the United States $1 coin without a mint mark from Denver represents far more than its face value. It embodies historical importance, artistic craftsmanship, and enduring scarcity that make it one of the most desirable pieces in modern numismatics. With market values reaching thousands of dollars for top examples and steady appreciation over time, it continues to attract those who see coins as more than collectibles. They see them as treasures of history. For today's collector, owning such a coin means holding in hand a true fragment of America's monetary and cultural legacy, one that will remain a centerpiece in any serious collection.